Most people struggle financially because they overlook these four essential principles of building wealth. Let's fix that. Rule number one is to spend less than you earn. It sounds simple, right? But the truth is, many people don't even know where their money goes. Track it, control it, take ownership of it. Rule number two, just saving won't make you wealthy. Investing is the key. Let your money work for you even while you sleep. Investing as little as $5 a day can grow into substantial amounts. Rule number three, avoid purchasing things that only drain your finances. Cars, gadgets, designer items, they lose value. But assets like stocks, rental properties, or generating online income provide long-term returns. Rule number four, safeguard your wealth. Get insured, diversify, and keep educating yourself. The wealthy don't gamble on luck. They strategize. If you aspire to wealth, start here. Like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll guide you on how to turn small savings into financial freedom.